Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change graphics settings in Tacticool. To change graphics settings in Tacticool, open up your Tacticool application on your device first, and then from the home page, tap on the menu button at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, click on Settings. Inside Settings, click on Graphics tab. Here you can adjust your graphics settings from medium, low, high to ultra. You can also choose your frame per second from 30 FPS to 60 FPS if supported. For smoother gameplay, you can choose low or medium option, whereas for better visuals, if you have a powerful device, you can select ultra or high option. After you make your selection, you can then start playing the game like you normally do. If your game is lagging, you can try reducing both graphics quality and FPS, and it can help Tacticool run much smoother. And that's how you easily change the graphics settings in Tacticool. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment below what graphics settings works best for your phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next match.